Good morning. It's Tuesday, and we're back with another edition of Tredomatix Daily Financial News, where we break down the markets and offer essential insights to keep you informed. Don't forget to subscribe and visit Tredomatix.com for the latest market updates and more. And in today's U.S. stock market news, Wall Street closed in the red yesterday during light holiday trading. The Dow fell 0.97%, the S&P 500 dropped 1.07%, and the Nasdaq slid 1.19%. Despite this pullback, 2024 has been a standout year for U.S. equities, with the Nasdaq gaining nearly 30% and the S&P 500 up over 24% year-to-date. Investors are reassessing their positions, citing end-of-year tax strategies and climbing Treasury yields. And in Forex news, the U.S. dollar remains strong, wrapping up a solid 2024 performance. The dollar index rose 6.6% this year, driven by fewer than expected rate cuts from the Federal Reserve and anticipation of pro-growth policies under the incoming Trump administration. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen continues to struggle, down 10% against the dollar for its fourth straight year of decline. Analysts are keeping a close eye on potential interventions from Tokyo as markets remain volatile. In tech, Nvidia continues to dominate headlines. Its stock skyrocketed nearly 180% in 2024, largely fueled by advancements in artificial intelligence. The company's inclusion in the Dow this year further solidifies its position as a market leader. Overall, the tech sector has had a banner year, with gains exceeding 30% in key areas like consumer discretionary and communication services. Turning to Asia, Taiwan's tech-heavy index led the region with an impressive 28% annual gain, while Japan's Nikkei rose 19%. On the flip side, South Korea's Kospi faced a challenging year, dropping 10% amidst political instability. Meanwhile, China's manufacturing activity expanded for the third consecutive month in December, signaling cautious optimism for 2025. And finally, in commodities, gold had a stellar year, soaring over 26%, its best performance in more than a decade, thanks to geopolitical tensions and central bank buying. Spot gold closed at $2,604.49 per ounce. Oil, however, ended the year on a weaker note, with Brent crude falling 3.2% in 2024 amid demand concerns in key consuming countries. Short-term gains could emerge, driven by declining U.S. crude inventories and stimulus efforts in China. Thanks for joining us today. If today's news was valuable to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of market trends. Come back tomorrow for more detailed analysis from the world of finance. Happy trading!